don't know what hurts worse, my head or my jaw.
Okay, you know.
Don't know what hurts worse, my head or my jaw.
Okay, you know, I sincerely thought that you were an intruder, so.
An intruder that grabs people's...
Did we go shopping?
You don't remember?
I do. And these fries are so good.
No.
Is that?
Yeah. Also, you have...
Hey!
Thank you.
What, are you gonna wear that all day?
Yes.
Now they're even.
Okay, what happened last night?
You wanted wings? So, we went to Hooters.
Do I work there?
Where's my Amex?
Oh, you left it at the bar.
No.
Yeah, that's why when we got to Hooters, we couldn't pay.
So I got a job.
No, you actually convinced the kitchen that you worked there and then you waited on us.
That's pretty awesome. Were you trying on dresses for the ad sales conference?
I must have been. Jacqueline said that I'm the future of Scarlett, so no pressure at all.